Welcome to another market update. Today is April 2nd, 2019. This is a midday market update. So the market seems to be a little bit dull today. It's not doing much, but who knows, right? There's still a few hours left before the trading day end. So there could be some firework later on. So let's go and take a look at the market and some of the internals. First, just go to the crude oil is up 89 cents at 62.48. Gold up 80 cents at 12.95. The Dow Jones Industrial is actually down 83 points at 26,174, and the S&P 500 down 42 cents at 2866.77. And the Nasdaq 100 is up 15 points at 7,493. And the Russell 2000 is down 4 points at 1,551. And looking at the breadth, see the up-down volume ratio in the New York Stock Exchange pretty much in the negative more throughout the morning, and right now sitting at minus 1.17. And the Nasdaq is slightly positive at plus 1.4. The Russell is slightly negative at minus 1.03. So that kind of highlight how boring this market is today. And the advanced decline, not much happening. Went as low as possibly somewhere around 1100 negative. Right now, the decliner is leading the advancer by 459 issues. And the Nasdaq 100 decliner is leading the advancer by 269. You see the cumulative tick is just hovering above the positive territory here, and not much happening. Same thing with the Nasdaq, is hovering just below it, below the zero line. And the ES open auction out of range. You kind of bounce around on above the value area, high area, and then come back in, put in the IB range, took out the IB low, took out the overnight low, and right now it's bouncing back inside, trading inside the IB range and above yesterday value area. And for the NQ, it's also open auction in range actually, and it's kind of bounced around a little bit, and came up, took out the overnight high, put in the IB high, peak above it, and then came back into the range. And right now it is trading above the overnight high and also the IB high. So the Nasdaq is a little bit stronger than the S&P, at least in the future right now. So let's go and take a look at the individual candlestick on the ES. As you can see, we've been watching this 2865 and want to see a close above it, and yesterday it did. Right now it's kind of testing this area, so we're going to see will it be able to hold this 2865. Remember, if we could hold this 2865 and come up, then basically saying the all-time high could be back in play if it could hold above that. So we'll just keep an eye on that and then see if it come back down. If it come back down, then I think the key here is this channel, essentially this right here, back into this zone. If we get under the 2800, it's actually not 2800 because I'm looking at somewhere around 2818 or so. So we're going to see is it coming down here, 2815, 2814 area, and come down to this 2736 and 2677. So going to see how we're going to hold up at this 2865 before we make any sort of assessment of up or down. And then looking at the volume profile, and we see the volume profile again, it's basically putting an inside day, as you saw on the candlestick. And so right now it's kind of not doing much, but so we'll see how this thing hold up. Again, 2865 is the key level to watch to see what the battle end up to be, up or down. And on the market profile, once again, it's just basically in a tight range inside yesterday's range. and so it did come down, tag the tag yesterday point of control. So there's a point of control from October 9 up there, remain to be tagged, and there's also a pull high and the point of control down here to be tagged and to be resolved. So there's up down proximity level for the ES to move toward either way. All right, so let's go and take a look at the daily market profile. You can see got a pull high here, right? And today's market profile, nice spike down on the low, and see, so not much happening. Right, not much happening. Might be forming a inverted head and shoulder. Who knows, right? So keep an eye on IB high and the IB low to see would it come back. Go to one of these level, and if we go to IB high, then we're basically looking for this 28.73.75. That's the overnight high. Or if it come to the IB low, then we're basically looking at the overnight low once again and see would it get tested again at 28.64.50. All right, so that is it for today. Hopefully your day is going well. I am looking at Lyft, trading Lyft actually, and it seems like it's getting a little bounce. So hopefully your day is going well, and if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you don't like it, hey, give it a thumbs down. I want to know whether you like it or not. So and you have any comment perspective on what you think the market might do, or what you're feeling, your outlook on the market or any stock, feel free to comment it in the comment section below. Interested to hear what you have to share. So if you're not a subscriber to my YouTube channel, click on the subscribe button on the lower right hand corner and subscribe to help me build up this channel. And thank you for watching. Good luck to you and have a great day.